Meaning of dug.
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 Dug. The word dug is the past tense of the verb dig. To dig means to break up, move, or remove earth, sand, or other material using a tool, machine, or one's hands. The action of digging can result in a hole being created, which could serve various purposes depending on the intent behind the digging. For example, digging can be done to plant seeds, extract resources, bury something, or create a foundation for a structure. In general, the act of digging involves using physical force to displace materials from their original position to create a cavity or opening.